So in this video, you'll learn how to enable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So all you need to do is simply open settings, then scroll and select advanced features and tap on the option one-handed mode. From here, tap on the toggle at the top to enable this feature, and then you can access one-handed mode in two ways. You have gesture and you have button. So if you've chosen to stick with gesture, in order for you to enter one-handed mode, just swipe down on the home button like this, and your phone will enter one-handed mode. To exit one-handed mode, swipe down again, and your phone will exit one-handed mode. If you've chosen the button, then all you need to do is just double tap on the home button like that to enter, and double tap again to exit one-handed mode. If your navigation system is set to gestures instead of buttons, then entering one-handed mode is slightly different. So if you ever want to enter one-handed mode, you have to go back to advanced features, one-handed mode, and then you should see it's set to gesture. Button has disappeared completely. And so now once you've done that, in order for you to access one-handed mode, you need to swipe down on this gesture bar like this to enter one-handed mode. To exit, swipe down on the same gesture bar to exit one-handed mode. And then once you're in one-handed mode, you can just navigate through your phone as normal, whether you're using gestures or buttons. You can just go through your phone, open and close apps, and all sorts of things that you need to do on your device. Bear in mind that some apps will not support one-handed mode, so things like heavy-duty games like Call of Duty or anything similar will not be able to support one-handed mode on your A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.